Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 6 of the course The Psychology of Language. So you can see here I have provided the answers of weekly assignment number 1, assignment number 2, assignment number 3, assignment number 4. So the scores we obtained is 100, 100, 100 and 100. Okay. So if my video helps you to score 100, then please subscribe the channel for getting upcoming week answers, and do like the video and please share it with native ones. Thank you. So let's start. This assignment consists of in total of 10 number of questions, and we will solve from the starting. Question number 1. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. We have to fill the correct one. So the question is, dash are the set of rules for ordering words in a sequence. Options are declension, grammar, sentence structure, syntax. So the answer for this question will be syntax are set of rules for ordering words in a sentence. Okay. Question number 2 is a sentence structure in which the patent is mapped onto the subject position is said to be in inaction mode, passive mode, patient perspective mode, complex form. So the answer for this question will be passive voice. Okay. A sentence structure in which the patient is mapped onto the subject position is said to be in passive voice. Okay. Question number 3 is a sentence that is placed inside of another sentence for the purpose of describing a noun is called a cleft sentence, modifying phrase, relative clause, subordinate subsequence. Okay, so the correct answer for this question will be option number C, that is the relative clause. Okay. Question number 4 is dash word order defines sequence of sentence elements in a language. Options are canonical, expected, standard, syntactic. So the answer will be canonical. Okay, so canonical word order defines sequence of sentence elements in a language. So for question number 4, option number A will be the correct answer. Moving to the next question, a sentence structure in which the agent is mapped onto the subject position is said to be in action mode, active voice, agent perspective, simple form. So the answer will be active voice. A sentence structure in which the agent is mapped onto the subject position is said to be in active voice. Okay. Question number 6 is a two-stage model of sentence processing in which syntactic analysis precedes semantic interpretation is known as the dash model. Options are constraint-based model, dual root model, garden path model, orchard row model. So the correct answer for this question will be option number C, that is garden path model. Okay. For question number 6, option C will be the correct answer. Question number 7 is mean length of utterance or MLU is the standard measure of a child's dash. Options are cognitive capacity, linguistic development, productive vocabulary, syntactic complexity. So the correct answer for this question will be option number D, that is syntactic complexity. Okay. Again, moving to the next question. Question number 8. A dash is a simple sentence that is part of a larger complex sentence. Options are clause, cleft, clone, close. So the answer for this question will be clause. A clause is a simple sentence that is part of a larger complex sentence. So for question number 8, option A will be the correct answer, that is clause. Okay. Two more questions are remaining, so let's solve it. Question number 9 is a syntactic parsing strategy that assumes the simplest possible sentence structure is known as. Options are heuristic assignment, late closure, minimal attachment, simple completion. So the correct answer will be minimal attachment. Okay, that is option number C. The last question is a syntactic structure that attaches an introductory clause to the beginning of a sentence for the purpose of highlighting one of the participants in the event is known as dash sentence. Options are cleft sentence, complex sentence, relative sentence, reversible sentence. So the correct answer will be option number A, that is cleft sentence. So let's submit it. So viewers, please subscribe the channel and share it with needy ones. Thank you.